Hello there and welcome to another of our 5 to Zen little mini videos. And in this one we're just looking at stress. Okay, so stress is an entirely natural thing that happens to all of us. We all experience stress, and stress, your response to stress is really important because it might just save your life. So as you just step out onto the road and then a car comes zooming around the corner and you jump out of the way, okay, it's those kind of reactions that can be really helpful for us. And you'll know that your heart will start thumping, you might start sweating, and when stress is triggered, it kicks off loads and loads of stuff going on in our bodies. It affects your brain, it affects your circulation, your heart, it affects your digestion. Where it kind of starts to become a little bit problematic is if we're just stressed all the time and we don't have any ways of kind of releasing that stress or that tension. So we've got a little mini sequence here just to help release some of that stress from the body, which is where it is. That's where your stress is, it's in your body. So you really want to do something physical to help you shift it a little bit. So we're going to come up to standing. I'm just going to get onto my mat. You don't need any particular kit here, just a little bit of space to move. So just setting yourself into a standing position. We're going to start literally just by tapping all over the body. You can do it with an open palm, or you can make a soft fist and be quite vigorous with this, all the way this area underneath the collarbones, down over the arm, onto the palm of the hand, back of the hand, up over the back of the arm, onto the shoulders. Change sides, all over the top of the chest here. We're really trying to just stimulate the body to help release some of those stresses that are absorbed. Come up the inside of the arm, the back rather, over the shoulder. Give yourself a bit of a Tarzan. Give it a bit of down onto the belly, circling around the belly. Just go in one direction, change direction, go in the other direction. Nice. Bring it onto the back of the body. A little bit awkward, but just do your best. So maybe middle of the back, onto the lower back, onto the back side. Big muscles here, so you can really give them a little bit of a whack. Open palms if you prefer, onto the backs of the legs, down onto the backs of the calves, and then up the insides of the legs, all the way up the quads, back onto the hips. Then with a nice open palm, a little bit of pressure, just sweep it down your arm, flick it off. Sweep down the back of the arm, flick. Inside of the arm, back of the arm, down over the torso, down over the back of the body, down over the legs, down over the backs of the legs, and then give everything a shake. Shake into the wrists, into the arms, into the shoulders, really loosening everything up, into the legs, the ankles, the knees, the hips. You're really just trying to release any tension in the body, because stress can make us really tense. It can affect you with headaches, tight shoulders, stiff necks. You're really just loosening everything off. Nice. Now just check you've got a bit of space around you. Just going to swing the arms, keep them really nice and soft. Keep the elbows soft, shoulders relaxed, wrists loose. You can shift the weight from side to side if you like. Just again, we want the body to move. If you're really stressed and you're trying to calm down, it's not necessarily the best thing to just sit down and suddenly try and be calm. Sometimes you just got to move, let it go, and then that will help you to then move on to something. Maybe like some relaxed breathing or meditation to help calm. But first of all, move to help release that stress. Let the hands just rest down at the side of the body. Check you've got space behind you, and then start swinging them backwards and forwards. Little bit of turning through the waist. If it feels good, they might come high, they might not. Keep the elbows soft. Opening through the chest and shoulders. Just keeping everything really loose. Let the weight of the arms do the work, swinging through for you. Slowing that down. Just let them relax at the side of the body. Bring your feet underneath your hips. Just drop into your knees a little bit so they're soft. We're going to take 3 breaths here that are great for kind of detoxifying, de-stressing. And my regular yogis will be quite familiar with these. We use them quite a lot. I'm going to do them 3 times. I'm going to demo one first of all. So just inhale. You bring your hands up. The palms are forwards, okay? As you breathe in through the nose if you can. Then make soft fists. As you exhale, you bring them in quite quickly and you tuck them right on the side of the waist and you take your elbows back as you breathe out. And this is the key thing. As you breathe out, you go really loudly. Okay, so that's good. Okie dokie. So inhale and let's repeat. And last time. And let the hands relax down at the side of the body and just pause here for a moment. Just notice how you're feeling. Good job. Just going to take a few little modified sun salutes here again, just to keep the body moving. So from here, take a breath in, sweep the hands out to the side, nice U shape with the arms, and then dive down. So if you're diving into a pool, bend those knees, come into a forward fold. I'm just going to turn sideways on. Let your head rest down so it's nice and heavy. Keep the knees really soft. Fingertips on your ankles, your feet, or the floor. You could nod or shake the head, you could wriggle the shoulders. Just hang out here for a few moments. Good job. Bring your hands onto the outsides of the legs. Bit of pressure here. Unroll as you inhale. Hands slide up the outsides of the knees, outside of the thighs. Head comes up last of all. Good job. Let's repeat that. Inhale, sweep those arms up wide, and then exhale, dive down. Soften the knees into your forward fold, and let's hang out here again, just lengthening out through the back of the body. Wriggle the shoulders, nod or shake the head, just whatever feels good for you. Release the shoulders, and then inhale, hands on the outsides of the legs, unroll. The head is going to come up last of all. Oh, we got a dog barking there. Last time. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, diving down. Hang out here in your forward fold. Wriggle those shoulders. Nod or shake the head. Hands onto the outsides of the legs. Bend those knees. Unroll. Come all the way up. Head's going to come up last of all. Good job. Pause here for a moment. Just notice how you're feeling. Take a breath in and breathing out. Take a breath in. Breathing out, just allow everything to settle. And we're going to finish with something called bee breath or Brahmari breath. And this is a really calming breath. So after you've moved the body, now is a good time to calm it. After we've just released a little bit of that stress. So you're just going to take a breath in through the nose. And as you breathe out, just hum. That's all you've got to do. It's really easy. So you inhale and you just hum. As you breathe out, that's all you have to do. Just do that again. Inhale and hum. Last time, breathing in, and then just hum that out breath. Just let the sound die away. Just allow everything to settle here. Or a little smile to yourself and thank yourself for taking some time out. Bring the palms of the hands together. We say namaste. Thank you for joining us.